Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now this does not look good for the police force, and this also reflects badly on the hard-working members of law enforcement. Now the police high command has reassigned the entire leadership of the St. Elizabeth Police Division following the jailbreak of 8 detainees. Senior police sources have confirmed that the division commander and the support team of officers, the entire support team of officers, have been transferred from the division. Now this reminds me of something where Renito Adams did say. He stated that he once visited or was sent to a particular division, and he said he believed that the entire division should have been reassigned and transferred because of the rampant corruption taking place within that division. Remember when you were reading to Adams and have to say, and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Call on scientific research. Talking to the people, making my observation, going into the station compound, asking for certain people who are wanted, and everything.
So why would
and I never
you?
got one support. What I found out is that almost 80% of the policemen and women there were involved in some form of corruption. And I came back and I wrote a report to the Commissioner of Police, what I observed, and recommended for these people, the whole Western Montego Bay, and many of the Western parishes, for the policemen and women to be transferred.
And nothing happened?
And nothing happened. A few were transferred. And whether it was politics, for whatever reason, I have my own opinion, they reached back to Montego Bay. But I'm telling you, if I were appointed the Commissioner of Police, I have a massive rotation, transfer, reversion, demotion to be implemented in the western section of Jamaica, St. James,
but Mr. Adams,
Westmoreland, Hanover.
Many years
and if you were to allow me, sir, I am promising you that not one under my one watch would be sent back to Montego Bay. And I can promise you that if anybody, whether from the political directorate or from wherever they are coming from, wanted someone to be sent back, we have a thing what you call police force orders, that you would have put these transfer and revert them, revert your action. Anybody would have to, anybody seeking for them to be sent back to Montego Bay would have to sign that force order themselves.
Mr. Adams,
it would not be signed by
Are you
Renito
insinuating that our politicians are complicit in our crime?
Of course, at the time. At the time. Many of my investigations showed that many were returned to Montego Bay based on an instigation of many politicians.
But many years have passed since those years, Mr. Adams.
No, but the road still remains. But the road still remains. Many of those may have been dead, or transferred, but the culture remains there. So the new policeman who goes there continues the corruption. People to deal with them. 3, massive rotation of senior police personnel and middle management, many of whom are square pegs in round holes. So we want to make sure that people are placed in position of responsibility and leadership, these based on merit, performance, integrity, their capacity to lead the men and women under their command.
Mr. Adams.
Yes?
I have a producer named Rohan Daly, and he's putting us on a little bit of pressure for the time. However, what message do you have at the moment for the criminals who are wreaking havoc in this country of Jamaica?
Well, I'm going to be very nice to them. If I were...
Now clearly, the police high command believe members of law enforcement were involved. Or they at least believe the escape of these detainees was a blunder. and the part of the officers there. But to transfer the commanding officer and the entire support team of officers means, one, them couldn't find specifically which officer was involved, or if all the officers were involved. Renita Adams say what him did believe is that what took place at the division where he went, and the station that he went, is that there were corrupt individuals there, and those were the ones who had corrupted the other officers. And he believes that even when hard-working, law-abiding officers are sent to those divisions, those other individuals make them become a part of whatever is taking place there. Now at first, people believe say, oh, just escape. We have all seen documentaries. Escapes happen all across the world. You have some prisoners still and just think about escape. Of course, we have always heard stories though that they get help from certain individuals. This was not confirmed in this situation. Law enforcement did not say them believe say officers helped these criminals escape. That was not law enforcement's statement. However, now that senior police officers have confirmed that them transfer the entire police division. You ever hear that? We have never heard. Even when Renita Adams said he wanted that to be done, he knows it was unprecedented. And it did not happen. Even Renita Adams recommended that the entire police division be transferred. It did not happen. But this took place. 8 detainees escape. And the police high command transferred the entire division. Not 2 officers. Not a 1 officer. Not a 1 officer with rank. The commanding officer and the entire support team in transfer. Or high command transfers. A group of officers make that decision there. Nothing just the commissioner alone. It's a group of individuals look power go on and decide, say, you know, send them go a different place. It definitely look good for law enforcement though. And for the hard-working members of law enforcement, it don't look good. Because you have individuals every day who know the situation, join law enforcement. Not just for the paycheck. We already hear law enforcement that say they want to increase on them wages. So they're not joining it just for the paycheck. There are some people who are trying to make a difference. They really want to see a better Jamaica. And for situations like this that take place, where officers have to risk them lives for arrest individuals suspected of serious crimes, murder and shooting with intent and things of that nature, only to arrest these individuals, put them behind the bars while they might have, and I try to gather more evidence, only to have individuals help them escape. Or you think law enforcement themselves feel? That would be a rough situation for risk your life. Capture individuals, arrest these individuals, put them in the lockup, and they have other members of law enforcement take money from them. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. As stated, Constable Forces not said that they believe the officers were involved. They have not said that they believe the officers helped them escape. They have not made any statement at all like that. What they have done is reassign the entire police division. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.